So it's your wedding day, like how you feel?
I'm nervous. I am feeling very nervous and I'm feeling very heavy, but I'm excited. I just want to get married. Where are you?
मैं रेडी हो रही हूँ बस मुझे 20 मिनट 15 मिनट मान ले बस 15 मिनट
15 minutes. I want to. Yeah, I'm dying.
I'm ready already.
I'm ready. I'm faster than you. So yeah, it all started last year, and we used to work together back in Bombay 6 years back, and that time also he had a crush on me. He keeps telling me that.
I had a huge crush on Kriti, but Kriti was full on attitude. मैं तो बोल ही नहीं पाया और 2 महीने में वो छोड़ के दिल्ली चले गई और वहाँ से दुबई चले गई. Now the only connection between us was LinkedIn. लोग टिंडर करते हैं, बम्बल करते हैं, हमने LinkedIn पे कनेक्ट किया था.
And then for 6 years, no touch, didn't know about each other's existence. And boom, after 6 years,
Cut to 2019 April 14, I landed in Toronto. Sorry.
10 days I came after he did. And
और फिर मैं LinkedIn पे स्वाइप मार रहा था, सॉरी स्क्रॉल कर रहा था. प्रीति, दिल पे हाथ रख के बोल टिंडर नहीं था. मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा. तो मैं स्क्रॉल अप कर रहा था और अचानक मुझे एक नोटिफिकेशन आता है, कृति मल्होत्रा इज नाउ इन टोरंटो. 6 साल पुराना क्रश जाग गया. और फिर मैंने तुरंत उसे मैसेज किया, बोला हे हाय व्हाट्स अप, हाउ आर यू, रिमेंबर मी.
blah blah blah. And I was like, I don't. Who are you?
पहली बार मिले.
And I met him in the hope that he might give me some contacts to get a job in Canada.
और मिलने के तुरंत 5 मिनट में पूछा, आर यू सिंगल? या. आई वाज लाइक द गोल इज रेडी.
He is actually a guy with a lot of energy and stamina. जो पार्टी हमने कल की थी, cocktail party. That was the first time we partied together and we interacted. So I became a big fan because वो बंदा, he is highly social.
Last night we had a great vibe together. We danced, we drank. It was great. He's a nice fellow.
So he's a very fun and joyful guy as well.
आपको मिलके ऐसा लगा कि यार उसको तो बहुत टाइम से जानते हैं. वो तेलुगु नहीं है, ये तो पंजाबी गाय मैन. वी वर ड्रिंक विद हिम.
आश्रय में इतना दम है लगा बिकॉज हैदराबाद से है वो, पर उसका खून पंजाबी लगा मुझे एक्चुअली.
मुझे नहीं लगता ये तेलुगु है, ये कहीं से नहीं है. ही इज एब्सोल्युटली अ पंजाबी बॉय फिट फॉर आवर फैमिली.
Can we like do a champagne thing when you're done?
pay for it, get me a champagne.
Pay for I'll pay for the hotel if you want. Oh, what champagne nonsense you're talking about?
Say, Ashray, thank you. This is a lot of work here. I know that, okay? But a lot of work.
बहुत डाउट में था मैं, कौन बना है इसके लिए दुनिया में. बुरा हाल था मेरा.
And yes, the first thing I noticed about him was his height and his shoes, which were clean. I like that about guys.
I think all the men will agree here with me. लड़कियों को पता होता है कि किस लड़के को उनके ऊपर क्रश है, लेकिन वो ऐसे इनोसेंट बिहेव कर रहे थे जैसे कि उनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
I obviously knew it was me, but I just wanted to play around with it. And I was like poking him, tell me, and he's like, I need to go to the washroom.
I don't know how Ashray will manage or how he managed.
Well, she is of jolly nature. She is naughty, so sometimes she get quite quickly frustrated also.
I said, hi Kriti, how are you? He's like, yeah, I'm okay, hi. Pick my luggage.
We played the most shittiest game that they could be. And I used to be given the pathetic job in the game. And she is a lovely girl. She's so joyful.
She got that warm smile of hers, जो I think मुझे आश्रय को भी लगता है कि वो smile से ही मुझे लगता है थोड़ा उसको लगा है ना.
I've always seen her like that, very very bindas, chilled out, casual. ठीक है दीदी, देख लेंगे, जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
She's 7 years elder to me, but we don't maintain that sort of relationship. We still mess around with each other, we screw around with each other, we keep making fun of each other, and we keep roasting each other. Everybody has that one person who you can take a bullet for. People usually say that, won't actually take it, but I will actually take one for her.
She was very क्या बोलते हैं, आज्ञाकारी बच्ची, जैसे जो बोल दिया कि वहीं पे बैठना है तो वहीं पे बैठना है, हिलना नहीं है वहाँ से. But slowly and gradually she came out to be a very confident and mature girl.
And the way she has moved to Canada on her own, and the way she has settled there, the way she is doing her job, everybody is a package deal, so she is also a package deal, but on the good side of it.
And I was like, if it is Kriti, it is Kriti. There's nobody else. And the first song that I sang for her is तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही रहे दिल आता कोई, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने लूं या माने ना.
Okay, chalo, cheers. And I didn't give him bhav, I left it over there only. But that aside, we both fell in love. He proposed. I said okay. And yeah, this is the day. TV, damn it. It's a mixed emotion. I can't put it in words how I'm feeling. There's excitement, there's a little bit of sadness that I'm going to go away from my parents.
Of course we are quite happy, quite emotional as well.
पहले हम सोच रहे थे कि रूम पे हम देख रहे होंगे, बच्चे वहाँ मैरिज कर रहे होंगे.
It's not a virtual wedding.
I never thought that this day is going to come so soon, but I'm happy that it did, and I'm happy that he's next to me on this day. I'm very happy that we are going to see a good future together, and I'm excited to see what the future holds in this day.
बस बीबी की बात मानो यार, और क्या कर सकते हो आप लाइफ में, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. That's it. झुकना तो पड़ेगा ही. I hope you have the life that you guys picture, the life that you guys deserve.
And with pure, clear honesty, he was very open about his past, his present, and his future. He had no hi-fi commitments. He did not make any dream proposals in front of my parents. He was himself, and my parents loved that.
You keep remembering somebody in your thoughts and then act accordingly. I'm sure this is out of love only, nothing else can drive it.
What do I say to her? She's a darling to me. Grow ahead in a very, very positive way. I love you so much. We're gonna miss you, of course.
No girl ever leaves a family, and nowadays too nobody really. So we all just extend one family to the other. And let all the tears be tears of happiness.
The only thing that I would want him to do for himself is just cut down on taking stress. Don't stress so much on small things. Life goes on. It's totally fine. And I'll be by your side, come what may.